Okay, so today I'm going to show you a really cool tool to use when displaying answers or just having classroom discussions, and it's a great time for your students to collaborate. So basically it's Padlet, and if you don't already have an account, you will create an account with your Google. That should be very quick and easy. After you do that, you will come to a screen that looks like this, okay? And then to make your first Padlet, click on this plus sign, make Padlet. And then I always just choose wall. So I'm going to select the wall. Okay. And it's going to give you some type of heading right here. Obviously, it's usually something funny. So you want to change this to whatever your topic of discussion is for that day. Okay. So I'm going to say my topic is theme from Roll of Thunder. Okay. And then here I'm going to give directions. Okay, so a little bit more specific directions. With your partner, discuss the theme you chose from chapter 6. Back up your theme with 2 pieces of evidence. Okay, so now I can choose an icon if I'd like. I am going to just change a couple things right here. So like for wallpaper, I would like to pick something different than black. So I'm going to go to textures. You can click pictures. So I'm going to go to textures and I'm going to choose, oh, this is nice. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to go back, and you can change some things with your font if you'd like to. I'm sorry. Keep working. Okay, if you'd like to right here. And then when you come down here, okay, so this is important. So I don't click on this box, so they don't have to sign in, but you can just tell the kids to put their name, like post your partners and your name, if you would like to. Okay, so now this is important. So if you choose to comment, and that way you want viewers to be able to comment on each other's writing. I always have a system where the students know who their partners are and who they're going to comment on. That way everybody will come back with 1 or 2 pieces of feedback versus having, 5 comments on one person. So that's up to you if you want to check this or not. Just have some type of system where they know who to comment on. And then another cool feature here that I like is all of these. I don't like it turning into a popularity contest. So if I was going to do the like post feature right here, I would not have them put their name. And then maybe tell the kids, I want you to click on, I want you to like the one that had the most specific evidence that backed up the theme, or direct evidence from the story that was cited properly, but some type of guideline. And then it can make for a really good class discussion about why the first one got 20 likes and the second one got 4. But I come up with some type of guideline like, okay, I want you to read through all of them. You have a few minutes and click on, I want you to like the 2 that had the best, most specific evidence from chapter 6, okay? So again, this is optional, depending on how far you want to go with it. If it's your first time doing it, you may not want to mess with that. So, that's up to you. So it's really easy right here. So require a monitor to approve, and I just leave all of this, okay? Because I'm going to be working on the screen with the student, so that really isn't going to become an issue. And then here is your link right here. And I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, and then I'm going to go ahead and post this on It's Learning. Okay, so I can also give this link, and then it will give them all my Padlets, but I just want this one right here. So I'm going to copy it to my clipboard, and that's what I will put on my It's Learning page for the students to join, or on my board, or wherever you post it. Have fun. I hope you enjoy Padlet. It really does help with classroom discussions, conversations, and sharing ideas. So everybody gets a chance to really talk and share their idea to go up on the board for discussion. So enjoy and let me know if you have any questions.